Workfront is our system of record for workflow, projects management, resource management, and all sorts of things that are related to operations. The data that we collect in Workfront is actually central to how we improve ourselves, how we look at ourselves, improve utilizations and so on and so forth. The problem with Workfront is they don't have an out-of-the-box ability to talk to many other applications. So since it's a centralized application to manage our work, a lot of our project managers who manage projects, they have to copy and paste data from our in-house internal clients into Workfront and back and forth. So in summary, our users lost a lot of time and more importantly, opportunity on more valuable tasks. What we did is initially, before we arrived at Workato, we built what we call middleware applications. This is a very common term for people who are in the software industry. This is pretty classic and known old terms. Workfront exposed something called API. It allows you to do functions by calling what they publish. So we actually were able to build a middleware that says Workfront A, give me information to Workfront B. Or, in the first use case, Workfront B talk to one another. So everything is good until the first data dictionary is updated or broken or new fields is introduced. We have to recompile to add the new fields, new data information, like the lookup. The theme is very plug and play for us. The use cases are always very similar. We need information and documents from one place and put it in another. And for us, it couldn't have been easier. Had we need to build the middleware applications, this would have been 3 different applications that have to be maintained differently. Here we go create a recipe, a project first, and then the next time we just duplicate the same project, change the data fields and so on and so forth. This is part of the reason I like Workato. They were willing to work with us, understand the need. We both reach out to Media Valley, who already have a published API, RESTful, and they work with Media Valley to build a connector for us. So that level of flexibility allow me to be confident that we can grow and scale as we have additional use cases. My team, who are not technical at all, they don't come from software engineering background, took over the recipes that I built, and now they maintain it. So let's say there's an additional logic that needs to be added, they are able to go and update it, and with a click, it's deployed. And if there's any error in the recipes, we get notification right away. So what is more important for me in case of Workato is it allows us to take the mundane tasks, the repetitive tasks and labor-intensive tasks from our users so they can do the job they are hired to do. If you're a creative designer, you should spend the time designing as opposed to copying and pasting data, right, for information from one system to another. So we so far had moved data for at least 250 projects using the few examples that I just explained. We don't have any on-prem or on the cloud server hosting any applications anymore. The sheer amount of money that we spend on hosting, hours on our team to maintain the servers alone, and the hours saved by our users to not copy and paste, I believe we get the money back, or we will get the money back very, very soon already.